Who else wants to drive a ton of traffic, from a website that gets over 550 million visitors a month, without paying a dime for ads? From the desk of Robert Scheer. Let's talk about traffic. As online marketers, we all need it. It's the lifeblood of any business. But it's not all created equal. If you're paying for traffic, then you need to be very careful that you're monitoring your data very closely. Costs can quickly spiral out of control. Or even worse, you can get your accounts shut down without any word of warning. If you're generating free traffic using SEO, then you probably know it can take a long time to get ranked in Google. Months and months can go by and your website doesn't move at all in the rankings. Generating traffic for your business can be very frustrating. It's no wonder so many people give up. Is there another option? The great news is, I've found a better alternative to paid ads and SEO. It doesn't involve making videos for YouTube, dancing on TikTok, or annoying your friends on Facebook. It's a simple process of finding people who have questions in your niche and helping those people with an answer. The process can be done in just a few minutes a day, and it's 100% free for you to do. But the main thing is it works, and you can generate hundreds and even thousands of new leads for your business very quickly. Introducing Q&A Traffic Quest is a brand new video training course that shows you exactly how to get a ton of 100% free traffic from a website called Quora. Quora is a place where people go to find answers. There are millions of people each month who head over to the website with problems they are desperate to fix. With Q&A Traffic Quest, you'll learn how to find people in your niche that you can help and turn into your customers. Here are just a few things covered in the course. The important steps to take when signing up. How to craft the perfect bio section. What links to include in your bio. What to look for when finding questions to get maximum exposure. How to find communities of customers waiting for you. Create your own mini hub and get free traffic from Google too. And so much more. The over-the-shoulder video training takes you step by step, showing exactly what you need to do. Simply copy each step, and you'll have your own traffic generating system set up in no time. You'll even see an example of someone who is getting almost 1 million views a month on their content on Quora. Yes, there is that much potential. So what are you waiting for? Start sending crowds of free, targeted traffic to your money-making links right away. Use the button below to order now.